Hey there! Today we're diving into a problem related to writing a MATLAB class that involves overriding the subasgn operator. The challenge at hand is enabling multi-level assignments like objs elem1.sublem1.subsabelem1 equals val, where the depth of the assignment can vary. While this feature is supported in standard struct, it's not as straightforward in other data structures like containers, map, or dictionary. We found some guidance on implementing a subsasgn method for a single subfield level, but we need a solution that supports multiple levels just like with struct. In terms of a solution, if you're using MATLAB version R2021b or newer, a handy tool called RedefinesDot can come to your rescue. By leveraging this feature, you can simplify the process and avoid the complexities of working with subasgn. The key is to handle the vector output for index op resulting from multi-level assignments. While some additional adjustments might be needed, using RedefinesDot offers a more efficient path forward for achieving the desired functionality. In summary, we explored a fascinating problem related to customizing the subasgn operator in MATLAB to enable multi-level assignments. By utilizing the RedefinesDot feature in newer MATLAB versions, you can streamline the process and achieve the desired functionality with relative ease. If you're facing a similar challenge, give RedefinesDot a try and simplify your coding journey. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and drop a comment with your thoughts on this intriguing topic.